This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan Sheeran. Welcome to a golfer's paradise. This beautiful pet-friendly, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,338 square feet, open floor plan, vaulted ceiling, upgraded corner villa is conveniently located in the Yorktown section of Heritage Ridge, just a short drive to Hobe Sound in Port Salarno. You will love your own patio section in the front of the villa, just off the guest bedroom. You will also love the grilling area just off the kitchen. The Lanai is also such a wonderful lounging area to sip your morning coffee and evening beverage while seeing a full view of the Heritage Ridge Golf Course. Heritage Ridge offers a Tom Fazio 18-hole golf course, 2 tennis courts, community heated pool and amp, spa plus a restaurant on site, 2017 water heater and 2020 air conditioner. Laminate and tile flooring throughout. Come live in paradise. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Sheeran at 518-751-0137.